Our data labeled. I'll quickly take you through how I did the labeling. So when you are done in the setup space under the chart editor, let's assume that you close this and you want to edit your chart again. You can either double click on it and then your chart editor will appear, or you can use the three dots over here to get into your chart editor. You click on it and then edit chart is here. If you want to do something else by maybe downloading your chart to maybe go and upload somewhere, maybe on your LinkedIn or something, you can use this option as well to um, download it. But for now, our focus is to edit the chart. So I'll come here, just double click on it for my chart to appear, chart editor to appear. Now, we are done with inputting data into the chart itself. Let's now look at how to customize it. So here we come to the chart and axis title. So here you have the chart title, chart subtitle, horizontal axis title, vertical axis title. So the vertical axis title, which is the last one, I'm starting with that. As you can see, is population, let me get it correct, population share percentage. So which is this area, this area. So you can edit that particular labeling, the vertical axis title, by going under the chart and axis titles, and then you choose vertical axis title. Whatever you wish to call your vertical axis, you can edit it here. Then the next one is the horizontal axis title. So you can see aggregated, let me correct this one, aggregated national population size into bracket million, and that is here. So this is the horizontal axis title. If you wish to edit it, that's the place to go. Then let's look at what's next. The next is the subtitle, chart subtitle. So both the title and the subtitle are all here. You can edit them and then put whatever you want to put into that space. So basically, that is about it. You just keep on playing with it so that you'll be able to get familiar with it. Now, let's move quickly to what's next. Now, so after we are done with our chart, we come to this area which is investigating access by area. So here we are going to look at how to measure central tendencies and spread. So let's go quickly to look at what we mean by the central tendency and spread. So here we'll be looking at measuring maximum, minimum, the mean, the median, the mode, and looking at the quartiles and so on and so forth. So we'll get into the data set. So I will guide you through how you can be able to seamlessly go through your data and then have your mode, median, maximum, minimum, the interquartile range, and then the quartiles, and so on and so forth. So let's check the next video for the full calculation on all that.